in a racing. Yeah.
There it is.
You alright, Randall?
One thing about it, my crack is nationwide known. Boy, I used to wear a belt.
Good Lord. dash update here. We are at Lincoln Speedway, part of the Illinois Speed Week, and the weather's not looking great. We got rained on a little bit earlier, but it looks like it's coming back. Got Mike on the scene. Meteorologist Mike. What do you think?
Well, it was really sunny, and then it got not really sunny, really fast. It ain't much.
Don't go by quick.
I ain't worried about that one. It might just be LaSalle after that, and then LaSalle after that one.
And then the one maybe after that.
Yeah, who knows at this point.
We're unloaded, ready to rip.
Rainwater from earlier to wipe the 4-wheeler down.
Nice and shined up.
Yeah.
Shoot.
Kinda.
They ain't 20s, but we keep clean.
That's right.
All laps done at Lincoln, a little muddy, not too bad. A little bit up behind the door bars here and stuff, but sides are clean. Oh. Don't want to drive out that up there. What happened, Mike?
We gotta get the races.
Yeah. I'm on it.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Yes.
Said I lied to you, I guess.
Canceled.
They canceled.
You got dirt all over you.
No, that's tire shit.
Oh,
Stupid spinner.
I really appreciate that, Mike. It's not nearly as much fun to do while it's on the lift gate.
I'm sure.
We done did rained out, folks. Show's over. Pack it up. Send it home.
It rained out.
Yeah, Mikey Leach live in the flesh.
Oh!
How you doing?
Don't look under here. It's all standard.
Yep.
That's a true story.
It is?
Oh, boys. Yeah.
Oh.
There's 2 spots. Every week, it must be something in the trailer. What in the hell is going on here? Look at that. What?
Getting everything loaded up, ready to, well, we're not leaving tonight, but looking tasty there. And that's our segment on how to load a crash cart.
Don't take notes from me.
Tires approved. Oh, now we gotta do this. Oh, we going now.
Fairbury Speedway. Where are we at and what are we doing?
Yeah.
Fairbury Speedway. We're racing. Lucas Oil Late Model Dirt Series. Flow racing night in America, I guess. It's all the same now.
Pretty, yeah,
It
isn't it?
is.
That's what I
mean,
thought.
can
Where are
be.
them guys? Here.
Falls, baby.
We'll see more of it later.
I love it here.
On the wall.
On the wall, it falls.
You gotta put your stickers on, son.
I don't even want to talk about it.
They'll stay on for a whole, at least 4 laps.
Yeah, hot laps. About it.
It's not raining today, so that's a plus. We'll take that.
Big plus.
Big win.
Huge.
This has been the rainout tour so far. But we've gotten a race and part of one in.
We've had one race in all week. Yeah, right?
And then we qualified.
Yeah.
And that was it.
Qualified. I got in my car for the heat race at Lincoln, and it started raining and rained us out.
Dag nabbit.
Stupid.
Yeah, here we are. Good weather. Doing it.
Check it.
Oh. 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 That's where we're at with our entertainment values around here.
Yeah, don't take much. Shit.
Daily pit clearing.
I get up there before a big line forms, before everybody gets up there. That's what we're going for. Yeah. Thanks, guys.
Opening thoughts. How's the
Good luck
pizza?
tonight.
Casey's Pizza. Thumbs up. Watch out. Safety hazard.
Oh, you got all in your building. I see.
I take one. It's great, bud. It's a little muddy here at the Funberry. Oh yeah, baby. Right here, we're gonna spin these guys upside down. Oh, I can't see it. Oh yeah. Whoa.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, he's down there. Thank God. Hey, this one goes on your right hand, by the way. Give her hell.
Switch on?
Yes. Get some. This is the 09 team and welcome to the Outdoor Channel.